Hi. It's common sense that ongoing maintenance and regular cleaning will increase the lifespan of a wool carpet and also maintain its good appearance. Cleaning should be proportional to the amount of soiling which is in the carpet. The more dirt's deposited on the carpet, the more maintenance and cleaning is needed. That's just common sense. There's a big difference between cleaning and maintenance, though. Cleaning is the removal of accumulated dirt and is best carried out annually or more often. Maintenance is a planned procedure, such as regular vacuuming, spot removal, and using mats at doorways, basically started on the day the carpet's installed and then ongoing to maintain the carpet's good appearance. Planned cleaning can also be considered maintenance if it's planned. So how do carpets get dirty? Well, it's a bit common sense again, isn't it? Dirt particles are carried into a building on the soles of shoes and by air currents, and they're then deposited onto the surface and stick to the pile fibres. These dirt particles are held there by mechanical forces or by adhering to the carpet surface because they're sticky or oily themselves, or because the fibres are sticky, damaged, or have other sites where the soil can sort of lodge on. The more a carpet soils, the more difficult and often expensive it becomes to clean it. So it makes sense again to try and reduce the rate at which carpets soil by somehow trying to reduce the amount of soil reaching the carpet. And this can be done by taking outdoor shoes off at the door, using walk-off mats if possible. Recommended cleaning methods for wool carpets. Well, there are no hard and fast rules on which cleaning technique is best for wool carpets, despite what anyone might tell you. It depends largely on the type of carpet concerned and the degree and the type of soiling. According to Woolsafe, all wet cleaning processes cause some untwisting of yarns in cut pile carpets, depending on the amount of moisture applied, mechanical action, the degree of the setting of the yarn, ridging, and so on. So on extremely long pile carpets, ridging can be caused by some spray extraction cleaning tools or steam cleaning. The basic requirements of cleaning products for use on wool are that they should be low alkalinity or slightly acidic, with a non-sticky residue on drying. They should have good cleaning power, no added bleaches or dyes, safe in use and safe once applied to the carpet. The reasons for these requirements are high alkalinity, often but not always reflected in a high pH, can cause colour bleeding with dyed yarns, pigment bleeding in natural Berbers, jute staining of the pile of the surface in light coloured carpets, and in extreme cases, yellowing and weakening of wool fibres. Sticky residues cause quicker resoiling. Poor cleaning performance necessitates excessive mechanical agitation of the pile, and then you have the added risk of pile distortion. Additives can cause uneven cleaning, bleaching, or even change of colour. Some commercially available carpet cleaning chemicals do not conform to one or more of all these above requirements. So to identify those that are safe to use, an approval programme for wool carpet maintenance products was established in 1991 called Woolsafe. In addition to products, wool is best cleaned using lower temperatures and lower pressures, despite what some people may tell you. It's the wool board saying this. However, some modern high-powered machines clean at extremely high temperatures and extremely high pressures, and it's totally inappropriate for delicate fibres such as wool. So the know-how and ethic of the cleaning technician can also be a vital factor in the effective and safe cleaning of wool carpets. It's vitally important that the carpet cleaner cleaning wool carpets understands that using the wrong cleaning products, the wrong techniques, the wrong heat, the wrong pressure, and getting the carpet too wet can be catastrophic. Usually these things happen because the wrong products are cheap, as is not getting trained properly. Any reputable carpet cleaner will use an approved product and technique when cleaning wool carpets, but not all do. If you're looking for someone to safely and effectively clean your wool carpets, please feel free to call me. However, if you're going to try somewhere else, please use the information that I've given you above to help you choose the right people. I hope you found this article helpful, because cleaning wool carpets the wrong way can cause a massive problem and even an expensive one.